Hello, my name is Indy. We are students from the English program from the school Konkan Wityayon, located in Konkan, Thailand. Today we are going to be presenting about a science project about science is everywhere with the title name of Do Plants Have Feelings?
Hi, my full name is Janyapasi Shaipanya. My nickname is Sham. I'm 13 years old from Konkan Wityayon School.
Hello, my name is Pan. I am 13 years old and I am from Konkan Wityayon School English program.
Hello, my name is Peace, and I'm from KKW Konkan Wityayon School EP program, and I'm 13 years old.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Hello, I am Xiang.
Hi, my name is Pan.
Hello, my name is Peace.
Hello, my name is Indy.
And I will be presenting about plants' ability to think or feel.
How do plants function with no brain or nervous system? Plants don't have a brain, a heart, or a nervous system, but they still sense the world and respond to it. How? Plants use a network of chemical signals, hormones, and even electrical impulses to communicate and respond to their environment. For example, when a plant is wounded by an insect, it sends an electrical signal to other parts of itself to prepare chemical defenses. Hormones like auxin help plants grow toward light, while ethylene helps them rip in fruit or drop leaves. You could say plants have a kind of distributed intelligence instead of a central brain. Every cell can detect changes and respond, working together like a slow motion orchestra. It's a different kind of awareness, but it's still very real.
Have you ever touched a plant and watched it move? Plants may not have muscles, but they can definitely react to touch and other stimuli. This process is called thigmonasty or thigmotropism, depending on the type of response. Thigmonasty is a rapid movement, like when the Mimosa pudica closes its leaves after being touched. Thigmotropism is a slower directional growth, like how vines curl around a support. But how do they do this? Instead of nerves, plants use changes in water pressure and chemical signals. When touched, some plants pump ions across their membranes, which causes water to flow out of cells, changing their shape. This results in movement. It's not as fast as animals, but it's still amazing for something rooted in the ground.
Example of plants that react to the environment. Let's look at some amazing plants that react to their surrounding. First, there's a Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plants. When you touch its leaf, they fall up in just seconds. This may help scare off herbivores. Then there's a Venus flytrap, a carnivorous plant that snaps shut when something touches its trigger, hairs. It needs at least 2 touches within 20 seconds to close, which helps it avoid false alarm. Another cool example is the sunflower. Young sunflowers turn their heads to follow the sun throughout the day, a behavior called heliotropism. This helps them get as much sunlight as possible. All of these plants react using water pressure, chemical messenger, or cell growth. Not nerve, but their response are still incredibly smart.
Plants can also communicate with each other in different scenarios. They might not have mouths, but they still communicate in interesting ways. When a plant is damaged by insects, it can release chemicals into the air to warn nearby plants. It will then prepare their own defenses. Some plants also use underground fungal networks to share nutrients and signals. Through this system, trees can support weaker trees or alert others to dangers such as disease or the environment. So even without a brain, plants work together like a community.